Hi, this is Yogesh Chabria. Today I want to share something with you on the importance of destruction. Many times when people hear the word destruction, they think, oh, destruction is a terrible thing, destruction is bad. But that is not the case. Destruction is also a part of creation because you can't have creation without destruction. I'll share something from my own life. So I used to do a lot of construction development projects in and around Mumbai, and every project, because in Mumbai land is scarce, you don't have a lot of land. So every project would start with the act of destruction. So before we create a beautiful building, a nice tall building with all sorts of beautiful things where people can live, be happy, we had to destroy the old. So what we would do is, these would be smaller buildings, say 2-story buildings or 1-story buildings. The first thing would be we would destroy the old, because till we don't destroy the old, you can't build new. And this is also in nature. In nature, destruction is a part of nature, because till something is not destroyed, you can't create something new. And in life too, destruction is very important. I want you to look and pause and look at all the things you need to destroy in your life right now. There's so many things you'll figure out you need to destroy. What do I mean by this? Shiva. If you look at Shiva in the East, in India, Shiva is representative of destruction. Shiva destroys. And what do you need to destroy? You need to destroy your ego. You need to destroy your arrogance. You need to destroy your hate. There's so many things. You need to destroy your doubt. You need to destroy your lack of faith in yourself. Many times you doubt yourself. Many times you don't love yourself. Many times you don't have faith in yourself. And these are all the things you need to destroy. You need to destroy jealousy. Many times you feel jealous if somebody is doing better. And replace these, because the moment you destroy you destroy these things, you are now open to the things. And if you have these, you should be thankful, because if you can feel hate, you can also feel love. If you can feel anger, you can also feel compassion. If you can feel jealous, you can also feel inspired, because each one is the opposite side of the other. They're two sides of the same coin. So right now, look at all the things, there might be sometimes in your life, for example, jealousy. Sometimes you look at somebody and you say, jealousy is actually something you want. So you look at somebody, they've bought a new house, they've bought a new car, they've got a promotion, they're doing wonderful, they have a wonderful life partner, he's amazing, somebody's husband is amazing, somebody's wife is amazing, somebody's kids are amazing, and you look at them and you say, I wish I had that. Or in your head you feel jealous. Actually, jealousy is a signal you want those things. So you destroy the feeling of jealousy and now replace it with something beautiful. You replace it with inspiration. You send those people love. You send them blessings. You say, I feel so happy for them. I wish them all the best. Because the moment you send somebody love, you feel happy for somebody, you create a positive cycle. When we were in construction, we used to destroy the old, but then we would replace it with something new and beautiful. And that is what life is. Start destroying all the things that are holding you back and replace it with something that is beautiful, that is filled with love, that is filled with joy and constructive. And you will realize the power you have within yourself. So the next time somebody tells you destruction is bad, say, no, destruction can also be beautiful. Everything has two sides, good and bad. Let's take the good and let go of the bad. Take care. Best of luck. I'll see you soon.